Yeah, the church time was great. Hello, team abroad. We are praying for you guys. May God be with you always.
Yes, ngayon pauwi na kami. 7 p.m. dito pero maaraw pa rin. Meron pa rin sikat ng araw.
Yeah, tapos kasi mahal.
Yes, okay. See you! Ayan, pauwi na kami. Maglalakad kami papuntang metro station. Have a great week ahead, guys. See you soon. Ka-team abroad. Ingat! Ayan, mag-order na po tayo. And si Panda na mamili. Please choose, Panda, what you wanna eat, okay?
Jarmuk, the best water in Armenia.
Dito sa Little Valley.
There's gas water, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna drink water.
That's not water.
That is water and tasting good.
Ayan, mahilig ba kayo sa cola?
Hasta la vista.
Tignan nyo dito mga ka-team abroad. Ang ganda ng kanilang bubong. Parang sa Pinas lang. Kaya pag tuwing summer, malamig. Dito lamang ito sa Little Valley Restaurant. Dito po sa Yerevan. Ayan. Subukan yung pumunta dito. Masarap din ang kanilang foods. So, nagbibideo tayo habang nag-aantay ng ating order. Yan si Panda.
So guys, this is beef, rice, and vegetables, of course, with extra chili. I love chili.
And what's that in the bowl? Soup?
That's a soup, yeah.
Okay. Enjoy. Panda, what you have?
I have fish.
Chicken. Kakainin lang niya ng chicken. Walang rice.
Walang rice.
Yes, ayaw niyang may rice. Ayan. Dito po tayo sa Little Valley. Yung mahilig sa sili, oh. Tingnan nyo. Sweet chili.
Wait, is that spicy?
Ito sa akin, oh. Oh, masarap. How do you call this again?
Beef, mama.
Nasi padang.
No, yeah, I think.
Nasi padang. Tsaka merong soup. Ayan. Dito lamang sa Little Valley, guys. Ayan. Pagpunta kayo dito, ka-team abroad, mamasyal kayo dito sa Little Valley.